The 2008 Ford Taurus X. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, power front seats, adjustable pedals, and air conditioning. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including front side impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.